How to create external receipt in Businet. Users can create external receipt against source type, direct or issue. Then users need to select the entity type and name. In case source type is issue, users need to select the document number and the items will be auto-populated. And then the users can fill the mandatory fields such as receipt quantity, price, batch detail, etc. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.